Hello and welcome. Today we will learn Urdu alphabet Alif and its sound A. So let's begin. First letter of Urdu alphabet is Alif and its sound is soft A. I will write here Alif. It's a simple straight line. Watch it again. It's a simple straight line. It's called Urdu alphabet Alif. Alif. Now take a pause and practice. If you want to learn Urdu as a second language, then do subscribe the channel. I will bring easy videos every week.